Some residents are trying to rebuild in Alligator Pond, Manchester, but after Hurricane Melissa caused serious erosion, there's a concern. Does it make sense to rebuild in the same place? Ramada Lyons reports.
A family home, now a disaster waiting to happen. Waves boosted by Hurricane Melissa slammed inland, tearing apart structures in front of the house. Now the house sits unsecured on a jeopardized structure, sand falling beneath it.
About I see the fence bend, there's a shop there. See the fence bend about down here, so. I come in and just took everything.
That's Clinton Ford. He walked across the beach barefooted to show her new team his home and share his experience during Melissa.
I have to go up to my mother yard. I'm going to rescue my mother. Yeah, now my son, my two sons, and my two grandpitney.
Now he wants to run back in, but he's worried.
If I'm going to try to fix by the front part, you understand? And me get like a rock stone, like thing, like, the tire and something there. We could have get it fixed back for your time being.
This is the dilemma. These properties have been repeatedly lashed by seawater as the land is eroded. Seagrasses have also been uprooted, a challenge not only for fishers, but to residents in the community.
A good seagrass bed generally helps to buffer some of the erosion, so it's not as bad as it could be if you have a good seagrass bed and a good reef in front of it. But a lot of the same conditions that cause the erosion, so warmer seas, more damaging storms, stuff like that affects the seagrass as well.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Environment Trust JET says it's a protection mechanism, so once it's gone, it can contribute to erosion. It says storms naturally come with powerful wave energy, so it's important to have coastline protection. JET also says without them, there's a loss of a major natural system that stores carbon, and that these impacts hit communities directly, economically, ecologically, and in terms of climate resilience.
When Barry come, it never happened me so bad. If you give me a jerk, but it never jerk me so bad, but this one jerk me.
Now, with heavy consistent rainfall, Mr. Ford's home could implode, threatening anyone inside. But the house is a result of his life's work. He has nowhere else to go.
And so the storm time come really dangerous. But you still have an next chance here, forget a little help. But they gone bad and no man, bad. I'm not sleeping night again.
Not until it's more secure. However, his son has been staying at the property.
In the back room. Sometimes I'm in covered too. It's very covered. I'm warning for say don't sleep in there. Don't sleep in there.
So why don't you stay there?
Because it's not way too tough to go neither. You see, but to the back part now, and the back not so dangerous to that. But you can see the front part of the front part gone, and the sea coming up. Everything gone from the front. You can't sleep in the front part.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.